Hey, Sam here. Two quick things. First off, yes, I am still looking for a full-time marketing position, but because I was getting a little bored with the job hunt. Number two, I've decided to start my own company. It's creatively called Guertin Productions. Now, you might be asking, what does Guertin Productions actually produce? Well, I'm already working with some awesome brands and some great creators to launch their new podcasts, create video series, and a whole lot more. I'd also love to help you with content strategy, email marketing, blog writing, customer testimonials, demo videos, you name it. If you're looking for help with any of the things I just mentioned, please let me know. Even if you just want to chat about them or talk out your idea, I'd love to see if I can help. And if not, refer you to someone who I know can. Also, I'll be posting a bunch of content marketing tips, tricks, and how-tos on LinkedIn and my upcoming YouTube channel. So if there's any specific things that you want help with, make sure to leave that in a comment on this post or just send me a DM. I'd love to see if I could help with that and share any knowledge that I have. There's a lot more that I'll be sharing over the next few days and weeks, but I'm so excited to get this off the ground. Thank you so much for watching this video. It really means a lot, and I'll see you next time.